I'll walk you through everything from creating high-quality AI images to uploading them and getting paid. Hi everyone, and welcome to this video where we'll explore how you can sell AI-generated images on Adobe Stock. Whether you're an artist, designer, or someone who loves experimenting with artificial intelligence tools, this platform offers a fantastic opportunity to monetize your creativity. In this video, I'll walk you through everything from creating high-quality AI images to uploading them and getting paid. Let's dive in. Before we get started, let's talk about what Adobe Stock is. It's a marketplace where businesses, designers, and individuals purchase stock photos, illustrations, videos, templates, and more. By contributing your work here, you earn royalties every time someone licenses your content. The best part? They accept AI-generated artwork too, as long as it meets their guidelines. To start selling, you need great AI images. Here are some tips. Use reputable AI tools like Midjourney, DALL-E, or Stable Diffusion. Focus on trending themes. Think futuristic designs, abstract concepts, or business-related visuals. Ensure your images are unique and not overly similar to existing works. Export files in high resolution. Adobe recommends at least 4 MP for photos. Remember, quality matters most because buyers expect professional-grade content. Once you've created your images, prepare them for upload. First, make sure they're saved in JPEG or PNG format. Avoid watermarks. Adobe will add its own when necessary. Also, check for any elements that might violate copyright laws, such as recognizable logos or trademarks. Finally, organize your files into folders based on categories like nature, business, or abstract. Now it's time to sign up as an Adobe Stock contributor. Go to the Adobe Stock website, click on Become a Contributor, and follow the registration steps. You'll need to provide personal details, agree to terms, and verify your identity. Once approved, you'll gain access to the Contributor portal, where you can manage all your uploads and track earnings. In the Contributor portal, select Upload Files and choose your prepared images. For each file, fill out metadata like titles, keywords, and descriptions. This helps buyers find your work easily. Be thorough. The better your keywords, the higher your chances of making sales. After reviewing everything, submit your images for approval. After submission, Adobe reviews your images to ensure they meet quality standards. If approved, your work goes live on the platform. When someone licenses your image, you earn a royalty, typically around 33% of the sale price. Keep uploading consistently to build your portfolio and increase your income over time. Here are a few final tips to boost your success. Stay updated on design trends and incorporate them into your work. Experiment with diverse styles to appeal to a wider audience. Engage with the Adobe Stock community for feedback and inspiration. With dedication and creativity, you can turn your AI-generated art into a profitable venture. Thanks for watching. I hope this guide has inspired you to start selling AI images on Adobe Stock. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. If you have questions or want to share your experience, leave them below. I'd love to hear from you. Until next time, happy creating.